Welcome back and thanks for tuning in. I got a special one for you today. We back at the shop, and in addition to unloading my tube boxes on the back of the truck, we're gonna be able to get into some of the cleanup stuff that we got to do around here. As you can tell, it's kind of dusty in here, so I'm gonna take a little bit of time this morning and just try to blow some of that dust out of there and clean it up before I unload the tube boxes. So just sit back, relax, hey, and enjoy the show, man. Well, you can tell by all the tubes on the ground and the war wounds on my tube box that did not go as planned. Essentially, as soon as I got done putting the thing on there, the forklift rolled forward, and then I end up tipping the whole tube box over, which is one of the things my dad warned me against. And he was right. I lost the keys to this, and I've been waiting for him to get the keys to get here. And my dad said, if you knock that tube box over, you won't need no keys. And he was right. That son of a gun is just opening without the keys. But now I have to reorganize all my tools, so I'll be working on that. And I just realized that I ordered the wrong lock for this one, so I'm gonna have to work on that too. But back to the grind. For the sake of y'all eardrums, I spared y'all the majority of the blowing, but this is just a bit of the debris, and I don't know if the camera is picking it up well, but it's extremely. This is just a bit of the debris. I'm about to sweep this stuff up. I want to just get the majority of the big stuff in a pile and then put it in trash, and then I'm gonna put y'all up here and then speed this up while I sweep this into a pile and dump it. Do for the initial clean. I'm gonna have to come back again. Some of this stuff right here, like this will just dust up and blow away, but that's a whole lot of work. And it's really dusty in here. So, I mean, for the initial, I don't know if y'all seen the original. I'll try to put it side by side up. But I mean, we got pretty good. All of the heavy stuff, all of the trash is inside the trash can. I'm gonna dump that. And then, like I said, I'll come back and break loose that dirt down there with a push broom, and then, you know, blow it again. I think most definitely it's gonna have to get blown out, you know, a couple of times before it's really just, you know, good to go. But that'll do it for this video. Thanks for tuning in. Like I said, please like, subscribe, share. I got a lot of content on the way. Right now, we're just trying to get the shop cleaned up before it's really good to go. That's gonna do it for this one though. Dang. Back over to these floors. What I'm doing now is just using the hard edge of this broom to break up some of that caked up dirt that was on here. And then I'll get that blower, and then I'll blow it back out again. Getting all of the dirt, dust off of there, but with each pass though, it's getting better. I think, you know, we probably need a few more. I have to agitate this dust right here, these spots right here. I don't know if it's picking that up. I have to agitate these spots right here and then blow them off. And there's a few of those, but I mean, it's looking really good. Light years better than what it looked like when I first got in here in terms of just the debris and stuff. I'll come back, like I said, and break up that little debris there on the ground, and then blow it out again. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned. Like I said, got a lot on the way. Peace.